Hello friends, welcome to 12.2 notes. It's the same shapes today, except that you're given the volume and you're asked to find one of the missing dimensions. So you just kind of work backwards, but you still use the formula. So if the formula is volume equals length times width times height, and you're going to put your 105, well, right here. Mr. Hennon, you knocked over my water bottle almost.
I didn't do anything. Stop judging me and blaming things on me.
And it doesn't and it doesn't matter if the 7 or the 3 is the length, the width, or the width and the height. You can put that anywhere. Oh, wait, I'm fried. That's H right there.
You might just want to start over this video.
No. 7 times 3 times height. So that's 21 times the height, 105. I always forget what I'm fried means. And then just divide both sides by 21. 105 divided by 21 is 5. 5 equals height. There you go. Similarly, you're given the volume of the cylinder and you have to solve for the missing variable. So write down volume equals, remember cylinder was pi r squared h. So the 2048 pi goes here. You know the radius, but you don't know the height, so let's just square that right now. It's radius squared, so 8 squared is 64. And if you're solving for h and you have to get rid of these, you can divide them at the same time. Pi there, 64 there, 64 there, and then the pi's will cancel, and both sides, the 64s will cancel, and that'll be your answer. 2048 divided by 64. 32 is your height. Okay, and this last one is finding the volume. This is like a toilet paper roll or something. So we have to subtract this middle out. So you're finding the volume of the whole cylinder minus the volume of the small one. So it's going to be pi r squared h minus pi r squared h. So make sure you put the bigger one here. If that's 10, you know the radius is 5. 5 squared. The height of the whole cylinder is 9. And then for the small cylinder, obviously the hole in the middle of the toilet paper roll is still a cylinder. If that's 8, the radius is 4. 4 squared. But the height of that is still the 9, so you're using 9 twice. And then when you go to put this in your calculator, don't hit pi unless it asks for a decimal. So, well, I guess let's simplify this. 5 squared times 9 is 225. Pi, and 4 squared times 9 is 144. Pi, so when you subtract those, don't hit pi. 225 minus 144. And 81 pi is your answer, if it wants your answer in terms of pi. And again, if it asks for tenths, then you change your pi into a decimal in your calculator. 81 times pi is 254.4. So again, this is when it says in terms of pi, and this one is if it says to the 10th. There you go.